Fire in the hole. I've done. You were the lucky shooter last time. Wait, okay. Should be back there. I'll be ready. Have you put that boy? They go out again? If you want. Yep.
Alright, what we're doing today is we're going to go pumpkin hurling. When I was going through school, there was a local fire department that had a pumpkin hurling competition to support their fire department. When we went there, we had about $250 into ours. There was other people that had $250,000. They were sponsored by major companies. One person complained. They ended up having to get a pressure vessel inspection in order to do this for safety reasons. So what we did is got rid of the competition. It's no longer done. But every fall we like to blow the dust off the cannon and launch some pumpkins. It's about Halloween and things like that. There's a lot of kids that come up. So we're going to go fire up this pumpkin hurler and launch them. Before we go out and actually launch these pumpkins with our pumpkin hurler or our pumpkin cannon, I drew up a little schematic so you can kind of see how this thing actually works and how it was actually built. This is an old propane tank. We kind of put an axle on the back so that it can pivot. Up front there's these little legs that are adjustable. So we're going to raise this thing up, put these legs down, tighten up some nuts and bolts, and it's going to give it the angle it needs for the trajectory of the pumpkin. The pumpkin air is going to come out, make a 90-degree turn. This is where you load the actual pumpkins. There's a door that comes down, then it gets fastened down with the nut and bolt system. And makes this 90-degree turn, and out your barrel. What we use to pump this thing up is a 185 Ingersoll Rand air compressor. It's a diesel compressor. It has a fairly large air line that comes out the back. It's going to loop around to the front here. There's going to be a valve here to let air go in. Then there's going to be a gauge here so we can see in pounds per square inch how much we're actually putting into it. You don't really want to go over 110. I think in competition we went up to 110, 120 when we were actually doing the competitions. The way that the air is let in here is there's a gate valve right here that comes out like this. The way you get that to work is there's a hydraulic cylinder right here, and we take just a regular cylinder off of a welder, so like an argon bottle, hook that up to your hydraulics here. You crack it, it pulls the valve out, releases the air, and that's how it gets launched. It's a pretty neat system, so we'll get out there and we'll start sending some pumpkins out into orbit here. Alright, this is the setup, pumpkin hurler. We're going to get ready to rock here. Alright, this is our first pumpkin hurling shot. What are you at? What's the pressure?
35.
We're going to go 35. This is a good one. Let's take this one 70. Hold on. Let me get one of these. Hold on. That one felt pretty hard. Fire in the hole.
Here we go. Weapons off, fire in the hole. Copy that.
Oh, I lost it.
That was a good one. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Here's that. Watch where you're going. Go ahead. Crank it.
That one's gonna go.
Light one, yeah?
Yeah. Is that 60?
Yeah. Fire in the hole.
Wait. That was bad.
See, jump the gun on shit.
Graham, pull the string. Pull the string. That's the one.
Ready?
Yep.
Good cut?
Yep.
Wait, yeah. Okay, clear?
Yep.
Okay, just up there when you're pulling. Okay, go ahead, pull real hard. Pull. Fire in the hole.
Safe head?
It was pushing up against 50. Yeah. Okay, so our gauge is a little off. Maybe we should keep hammer out probably 150 pounds every time.
Maybe that's why 30.
30 was the magic number. Hit it.
Wow.
I thought that one was going to
Fire in the hole. Hit it.
go. Check out that hole. Nope.
Unless you want to.
That's a lobber, man. We'll give him another one.
Ah, blew up.
Hit it.
Nope.
Hit it.